Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And I don't know what time it is when you're watching this, but it is morning here for me. And I am back out here, fall preparation. This is my garden. And as you can see, my cannas are still in the ground. So today, we are going to start moving the cannas. All of them. You see that? All those are cannas. All those are cannas. Yep, all those right there. And you can't see them, but there's a bunch behind the shed, right? Canna's right there, right there behind that. And then there's some little small ones all in the front. And they all got to get up off the ground. It is about 55 degrees this morning, and cannas are a tropical plant. And while I want to see the beauty, I want to see the beauty next year. So I got to get out here and I got to dig them up. So if you haven't started your fall preparation, today's a good day. It's not really hot at all. It's supposed to be in the 80s or 90s later in the day. But we can't wait because I can't wait till the leaves die back and they turn black. Well, I could. But what I'm trying to do, I should say what I'm working to do, not using the word trying, but trying is a lie that we tell ourselves to be okay with not doing. What I am working on is doing a small amount each day or every other day or so that I will get it all done and it won't be so overwhelming. So get out there and get started with your fall planting and preparation. Here we go.